taxes can eat a person's retirement, you know, if they don't have an adequate strategy. Because one day after hard-earned money that you have saved and worked for can be taxed so heavily that it erodes some of the money that you had planned on for your beneficiaries.
Exactly.
So are there some alternative considerations for that?
That's what I've been waiting for you to ask me.
Okay.
You said at the outset of our show here, Carolyn, keep your IRA in care, custody, and control.
Yeah.
I think that's going to be the theme of this information that we provide for our audience.
Okay.
So let's look at first the absence of a strategy. Let's have an IRA. We have an IRA owner who has $500,000. The beneficiaries are the loved ones, children, grandchildren, and the IRA owner dies. Well, since those beneficiaries receive this $500,000, there's a tax bite of $200,000. Now, let me share some strategies with you. Let's talk about the IRA income tax offset.
Okay.
The IRA owner has $500,000. It's required to take, or mandated to take, a percentage from their retirement account. Alrighty? You could purchase life insurance, a $200,000 policy with the RMD monies. Alrighty? The children or your loved one, grandchildren, whomever, is a beneficiary. The proceeds from the life insurance policy is tax-free in the event of the death of the IRA owner. So therefore, that life insurance policy, which you purchase with your RMDs, is now that covers the $200,000 taxes, $200,000 worth of taxes there. So the beneficiaries pay off the taxes, $200K, and they are the beneficiaries of the IRA. They get the $500,000. Let me share with you another strategy too. It's called IRA income tax elimination. Now, let's set up a charity, and they are the beneficiaries. Alrighty. So we have the charity, which will be the beneficiary for the $500,000 IRA. Now, there's some benefit to you as the donor. You take the RMDs, all right, and purchase a $500,000 insurance policy. Now, when the IRA dies, the beneficiaries, your loved ones, will receive $500,000 tax-free from the insurance policy. The benefits you receive giving your having the charity be the beneficiary of your IRA, you receive some type of benefit too, but there's a total tax-free of $1 million, $500,000 for the charity and $500,000 to your beneficiaries. And lastly, what I want to talk about is a strategy called legacy enhancement. Again, let's make the charity the beneficiary of the $500,000 IRA. All right, Carolyn? Now, we want these RMDs that we take to grow. So what we'll do is says, all right, we'll have our loved ones as a beneficiary. We'll take the RMD and purchase a $1.6 million policy. So when the IRA owner dies, the beneficiaries receive $1.6 million. The charity gets $500,000. That is a $2.2 million tax-free total. All righty. So again, I'd like to go over the 3-point value proposition again, Carolyn, where I thought it was great when you said keep your IRA in your care, your custody, and control.